How to use Himalayan salt lamps for better sleep and improve your mood. You have probably heard about the Himalayan rock salt, or you maybe use it in your home. Himalayan salt can be harvested as large blocks, such as for cooking slabs or making rock salt lamps, or it can be crushed into medium and small pieces. It can also be ground up at home in a salt grinder to use in cooking, much like regular sea salt. If you heard about it or you've used the Himalayan rock salt, you probably know its health benefits in reducing the high blood pressure and cholesterol. In this article we are going to mention some other health benefits of the Himalayan rock salt which can improve health problems, such as headache, insomnia, allergies and other health problems as well. Can wireless electronic equipment harm us? Did you know that all the electronic wireless equipment that we use can release high amount of positive ions in the air, creating electronic smog, which can cause some serious health problems? They can be the cause for cancer, as well. The positive ions released from the wireless electronic equipment don't do anything positive. In fact, all they do is causing some serious health problems, such as insomnia, allergies, mental health problems and other problems as well. These problems occur because our brain is exposed to the electronic smog 20 times more than our brain can handle. So, it's very necessary to neutralize these positive ions. How to neutralize positive ions? Ask yourselves this question: what can neutralize positive ions? And the right answer is negative ions, of course. That's because opposites attract each other. The Himalayan rock salt is the source of these negative ions. The negative ions from the inedible Himalayan salt are released in the air and they attach to the positive ion in the surroundings, such as dust, mold, irritants, allergens and the electronic smog. When they attach to the positive ions, they are neutralized and the air around us becomes fresh and pure and your environment becomes lovely and full with positive energy. How to use the Himalayan salt lamp? First of all, you have to buy a Himalayan salt lamp. Himalayan salt lamps are simply large pieces of pure Himalayan salt with a small bulb inside. They can be solid pieces of salt or decorative baskets filled with large crystals of salt. It is very important to make sure that the lamp is from a pure Himalayan crystal source and not a cheap imitation made from rock salt. When you turn on the lamp, the bulb heats up the salt and releases the negative ions in the air. In a humid environment you may notice that the salt is wet. That's because the salt attracts moisture from the environment, but the heat from the light bulb evaporates the moisture easily. All the positive ions are neutralized from the air around you. The Himalayan salt lamp can help you relieve headaches, migraines, arthritis, respiratory illness, blood pressure problems and stress-related problems. Better sleep and improve your mood with Himalayan salt lamp. Other side effect which results from overexposure to positive ions in the air is that it can affect the quality of your sleep. This happens because those positively charged particles can actually reduce blood and oxygen supply to the brain, resulting in irregular sleep patterns. As we mentioned in this article, Himalayan salt lamps are natural negative ion generators, thus they can help to reverse this problem. Keep one or two around your bedroom to improve the air quality so you can get a better night's sleep. Himalayan pink salt lamps are a great way to naturally enhance your mood or to help you relax and unwind at the end of the day. At the same time and on the opposite side of the coin, Himalayan salt lamps are great for improving concentration. Again, this is due to the effect of the negative ions on your body, improving blood and oxygen supply to the brain and other organs, as well as providing a boost of serotonin, the neurotransmitter which makes us feel happy.